Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I just need to tell you, we are running, when I say we, I mean my husband and I, Ken and Stephanie, are running this amazing promotion for one of our clubs. Now, it is so amazing, my mind is like blowing up because it's so awesome. What it is it's for our Die Hard Club. What's our Die Hard Club? That means you're getting the stamps and the dies that match sent to you automatically each month on the first of the month. Now, if you're in the Die Hard Club, that's $24.90 a month, and it is awesome because not only do you get these shipped to you automatically each month, you are also getting a 15% discount off of everything on our website. I mean everything, including machines, adhesives, cardstock, pattern paper, stamps, dies, card dies, blocks, inks, glues, everything 15% off. It's like a sale every day. But the best part about it, and the thing we're doing for 2021, is starting July 1st, every Die Hard Club member is going to get 2 free dies for the rest of the year. Meaning July 1st, August, September, October, November, December. For 6 months, you're getting 2 free dies in every shipment, meaning you're getting 12 free dies. Why? Because we love our club members and we want you to know it. So go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, join the Die Hard Club, and you want to get in on all this awesomeness. Now, if you're brand new to us and you're not in the club, you're even going to get 2 free bonus gifts when you join. It's like a sign-on bonus. Isn't that awesome? Now, if you're in our stamp club and you get the stamps every month, you need to upgrade to the Die Hard Club to get all those free dies. Now, what's the monthly commitment on our club? It's only 3 months. So you'll have time to get to know us, you'll have time to get to love us, and you're gonna have so much fun, you're gonna wanna stay in forever. If you stay in for a full year, your anniversary gift on your anniversary for a full year is a $15 gift certificate to our website. I told you, we're paying you to be club members. We're paying you to be our friends. We love you all so much. So go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on join the club, and make sure you join the Die Hard Club to get in on all these awesome goodies. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.